The other big story here at 10 is about a North Texas mom. She says she's trying to make her court-ordered child care support payments, but she says the Attorney General's pay portal is taking months to actually reflect those payments. Our Marvin Hurst with her fight and her fear tonight.
Before my rent is paying my son's father. Before buying groceries is paying my son's father. Before paying my lawyer is paying my son's father, because if not, I'm breaking the law.
Elvia, who asked us not to use her last name, is a mother of two. She sat down with us on her 46th birthday, and if Elvia could have one wish granted, it would be to resolve her custody and financial issues.
I just didn't have money to fight the system. And I'm okay with that, because I don't have a choice.
Elvia says right after losing her six-figure job, her marriage ended too. A judge ruled that she and her ex-husband had 50-50 rights of their son, Mateo, for decisions about his upbringing and welfare. The 4-year-old has autism. In fact, both her sons do. Mateo's father has primary designation, or day-to-day legal custody. Elvia was ordered to pay $1,300 a month in child support, which she says she didn't pay for months, and she says it was due to unemployment.
I learned that when you don't have money, there's no justice. And the justice here is not that I have to pay. The justice here is that I'm doing everything I'm supposed to be doing as a mom, and I still have to pay. And when I don't and when I can't, I'm facing 6 months jail time.
Since April and the threat of jail, Elvia says she's been making child support payments when she cannot afford to make anything else. In June, the Crowley mother says she started having an issue with the new online overhaul for child support payments from the Texas Office of the Attorney General. It's called CHAMP, short for Children Are My Priority.
And so I am following the law today. Yes, I am. But I also need the Office of the Attorney General to do their due diligence and to release the funds.
She says she's made payments for 3 months, but Champ says there's a maintenance issue. Elvia even got this email from the state showing her payments were received in July. The email says we're currently completing planned system maintenance, causing the delay in your payments posting. She got the same email at the end of August. It says the funds will be applied once the system maintenance has concluded. The Attorney General's office was unresponsive to our multiple requests for comment. We did find this news release touting the success of the overhaul in July, saying 3.1 million payments totaling $614 million in support had been dispersed at the time. We also walked into this Dallas-based child support office like anyone else, trying to find answers.
Is that a widespread problem, or?
No one was authorized to speak on camera. They did offer this QR code for face-to-face help in these cases, and Elvia needs it. 2 sons on the spectrum, no full-time job in a year and a half. Her only hope is to get the judge to reconsider the child support.
And so I just said, you know, I'm not smart, I'm not talented, but I don't know how to give up.
Happy birthday.
In Crowley, Marvin Hurst, CBS News Texas.